Download the code from codebase.com. Link in description. Creating a timer in JavaScript using cursed coding involves embracing unconventional and often inefficient practices that may lead to confusing or unoptimized code. Start by leveraging global variables to store time values, which can lead to potential conflicts and bugs. Instead of using standard functions like settimeout or setinterval, consider implementing a recursive function that calls itself using a loop, making it harder to follow the timer's logic. Utilize excessive inline event handlers and avoid modular code structures, leading to a spaghetti-like codebase. Make sure to incorporate arbitrary delays and unnecessary calculations to increase complexity. Additionally, don't forget to ignore best practices like error handling or code readability, focusing instead on achieving the timer's functionality in the most convoluted way possible. This approach, while humorous and educational, serves as a reminder of the importance of clean and efficient coding practices in real-world applications.